morning, everybody. Today we're fishing at Fires Creek and hopefully we go catch some slabs. We'll fish my buddy Micah. Wherever he's at, he's down there fishing already. But we're getting ready right now, me and my brother, and see you guys there. Actually, yeah, it's on right now?
No, it's not on.
Oh, I don't want to take your fish. I just want to try. No! Did you see that? Oh, it might have been just a lead. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I thought that was a massive one. Holy crap. Micah just caught his dang first fish of the day. Wait, second fish of the day.
A little bit bigger than the last one. But that's a native right there. Beautiful.
Dude, when I seen you like hook that, I was like, oh my goodness, that's a... Uh-oh. I'm gonna hook up there real quick. I think I left him on the table right there. Micah.
Yes, sir.
Logan. Come here, little dude. What is that?
Is it or is it a rainbow?
That's a rainbow.
That's a rainbow.
Micah, that's a rainbow, right? Yeah. It's all right, little buddy. Hold on. All right, guys. First fish of the day. Hey, little sucker. All right, let's let her go. I'll let her right here with Logan. You got another one? Hey, is that a keeper? That's a keeper, right?
Yeah, sure.
Oh yeah. You want to keep it?
Let's do it.
Let me go get my bucket real quick.
Okay.
All right, we're back. That's a nice fish, dude. Oh my god.
That is nice.
Dude, that one I hooked over there a minute ago was like 3 times.
Unless you want to shrink it.
Nah. We'll live better than that.
Hey, I missed it. Micah just caught another big one. I don't know if you can see him over there. He's putting it cooler right now. I missed it though. And Logan's gonna try this new spot right here. See what we can do. No.
What?
I didn't even feel a bite. Which
I had 3 fish in a row.
it might be my worm though. Hold on. You think?
I don't think so.
Where are you throwing in that little pool?
What do you mean?
Yo! Right there in that pool?
These brook trout, when they see something running, then they go get it.
Micah's catching them today, guys. Oh my god! What? All right, guys. It's caught another good one, guys. Let's get it. Move it upward. There we go. Look at that fish, guys. Hey, Micah just caught another fish out of the same hole. That's a good rainbow, ain't it?
That's a pretty good one.
Look at that.
Look
Oh,
how
yeah.
red his gill is.
I know. You guys see that?
That's a stalker. I think everything we caught so far has been stalker, except the little native one.
All Alrighty guys, so we just got done fishing the hole as much as we can. And now me, Micah, and Logan, we're gonna go move to a different spot and go catch some more and slay them down, ain't we?
Oh yeah.
Alrighty, see you guys there. I want to try back in that hole right over there. Right there. Pulling a little bit. Under. I'm moving. Do not like the spot, guys. One bit. Do not like it at all. Oh my. Oh my gosh. Come on. Oh my, did you see that like first grab? Oh my gosh, boys. Look at that beautiful. Should I keep that, Micah? Yeah. What is that? That's a, what? Brook trout. Alright guys, just caught my first fish at this location. Nice. Very nice fish. Whew, look at that fish, guys. Bye-bye. What a good fish, guys. Let's go. Trying a new spot, guys. I just made it. We're about to flick in this hole. I'm telling you, there's about to be a fish. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try to walk up here. That stuff is way too fast. I'm trying to find something more smooth. No! Ah, that's so cool. Here, this is bad. I've already made it to here. I'm gonna see it back. Alright, how much we got counted this?
7.
So we caught 7 fish.
Wait.
1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we caught 8 fish, and we're gonna put them in this bucket because we're going to different places. So I'm gonna take them home with me and cook them. No.
I was trying to get it to where it was real close to your face and it would just like smack it in the face.
Uh-oh. Wait, how are we gonna do? You just get your side and we're looking like that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey guys, we're getting to the last fish here. I hope everyone enjoyed that fishing adventure, and happy you guys come along and watch this video. And the video's not over yet. I was just going to say thank you guys, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your week, and I'll see you guys at the grill. Hey, I changed my mind. I'm not gonna smoke them no more. I'm just gonna cook them on my propane, and hopefully they turn out good. Hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so I got my Kinder's lemon pepper. This is my favorite so far, so I'm gonna use it. It's regular black pepper, some salt, and that's all I need. So let's get this on and season them up and put them on the pan. Fish is done. Now let's get to eating. Oh my gosh, that is good. I appreciate you guys for watching to the end of the video. I'm gonna finish eating all this good fish, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you on the next one.